Hi, are you a teacher that wants to deliver African history and curriculum-based subjects in a more creative way? Focusing on the student's social and emotional capacity too? Now, if that sounds like you, keep watching. So, my name is Kwesi Johnson and I'm a movement specialist. Now, I've been moving minds, bodies and attitudes for over 20 years as an educator, creative director and choreographer. Now, I'm also a pioneer of hip-hop theatre, which the most famous iteration of that, I suppose you know, is Hamilton the musical. But there's so much more to offer. So I'm running a free taster Zoom class on how to combine the creative arts to make education more engaging and more exciting. Now, I'll take you through how to create movement from words, music from visual art, or create spoken word mixed with movement that has been inspired by a piece of music. Don't think you can do it? Trust me, I've been teaching for over 20 years. I've been teaching teachers for over 20 years and online for over 8. So I've had many successes with other teachers that didn't think or believe they had a creative bone in their body. So we're focusing on African history using this amazing timeline that's been created by Paul Emmy. Now, in addition to this, the class is going to give you the foundation to make any subject more engaging and use those different art forms so it's more valuable for your students. Now, if you, like me, are passionate about education, making it more fun, more engaging, and getting amazing results, both academically and emotionally, then join me for the class and sign up below. Because with Agile Studios, you can be anywhere and learn from everywhere. See you on the other side.